What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, so please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks. When you open a new Webull brokerage account, put any amount of money in that brokerage account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks for just trying out their brokerage app. Those up to 12 free stocks will be worth up to $30,600. There's a link down in the description box of this video. Go click on that Webull link. Open up your new Webull brokerage account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Well, guys, looks like the United States is gonna be able to pay its debt. Over the weekend, a new debt ceiling deal has been reached. That's right. The U.S. Congress has agreed to a debt ceiling deal, which will probably go in effect somewhere between June 1 and June 5th. Now, there are some small little kinks to be worked out, but for all intensive purposes, it's a done deal. Which I told you guys a couple videos ago, we always get a debt ceiling deal done. You have the Republicans, you got the Democrats. They gonna do what they do in order to bargain some things on the table that they want to have included in the debt ceiling deal or in other deals that'll be coming. But we always get it done. And that's good news for the stock market, though, because we might have a little bit of a rally this week. Now, of course, today the market's closed, right? Today is Memorial Day and it's closed. But on Tuesday, May 30th, the market's going to reopen, and they're going to reopen with renewed anticipation of this new debt ceiling deal. So there might be a slight little rally this week. Now, we know last week the market closed pretty strong. All three major indexes were in the green, which was real nice. We saw the S&P 500 reach 4,200 points, which it's not done that in a minute. And as I've told you guys over the last several videos, institutional investors, billion-dollar hedge funds, these folks got to make money, man. It doesn't matter that the short-term interest rates are above 5%. It doesn't matter that inflation is at 5%. 2023 is a year where I think by the tail end of this year, we're going to see a small start of a new bull market. Now, that's just my opinion, guys. Certainly, you guys got to go out and do your own research and do your own independent studying of this situation and come up with your own conclusion. But my conclusion is I think that we will have the start of a new bull market by the end of 2023. Now, a lot of people are saying, hey, not so fast. The Fed is going to increase short-term interest rates again in their June meeting. That's what the market says it's going to do. Well, if the market says it's going to do that, guess what the market has already done as well? They've already priced it in. So even if they do bump by 25 basis points, it's not going to alter anything because the market already believes they're going to increase by 25 basis points. So it's no surprise. It won't be a shock. But also what I believe the Fed understands is that inflation at its high water mark at 9% back in June of 2022, a year later, we've made significant progress of bringing inflation down through 10 interest rate hikes by the Fed. So they can see clear evidence that the rate hikes are working. What they got to be careful of, though, is not to continue increasing rates and take the chance of throwing our economy into a recession. Not with the progress we've already made. I don't think that'll happen. So the Fed is going to be conscious of that. Now, don't get me wrong. Price stability is their number one concern. So they're going to do whatever they need to do to make sure people living in this country can afford the basic necessities they need to live through price stability. But they also understand no one wants a recession. And with all the momentum over the last year from the 10 rate hikes, I think we should be okay. I think the Fed, and honestly, I know I'm kind of backtracking a little bit. I know in a couple videos ago, I said, yeah, maybe they will raise 25. I don't think so, guys. We'll be getting the May CPI report, which measures inflation. We'll be getting that on June 13th. And if that continues to show inflation coming down, then I don't think the Fed bumps. I just don't. I think it's really time for prosperity again in the stock market. And again, guys, this is just my opinion, my prediction. Will that happen? Who knows? But as I've always told you guys, I'm an expert at my opinion. I highly recommend you go out and do your own independent research and come up with your own opinion and your own conclusion. But I think it's time for us to see the start of this new bull market. And I'm positioned, man. I've been buying assets, guys, at a discount for over a year and a half. As I hope you guys have been doing the same thing. Remember, I've been telling you guys, listen, man, don't wait. Buy these assets, blue chip assets, buy these ETFs and index funds that track the S&P 500 index. Give yourself a chance to multiply your money. And it's still not too late, because remember, it's going to be the end of the year before this bull market starts, in my opinion. Now, it may spill over into 2024. It may. But I think by the end of this year, you're going to see the Federal Reserve start cutting short-term interest rates. And when that happens, guys, they're going to let the bulls out of the stalls. And they're going to be running. So I think that's the key, is preparing ourselves, right? Making smart financial decisions that will lead to us being able to multiply our money and create some net worth and create some wealth for ourselves. I think if we do that, we really gives ourselves an opportunity to build wealth. And really, this is what it's all about, guys. It's about controlling 100% of our time. It's about controlling our own financial destiny. And the only way we do that is through building assets, right? Building assets. Now, I may have a really good job or a really good business that creates a lot of income. The only problem with that is I have to trade time in order to create that income. And I don't want to do that for the rest of my life. I want to be in a position where I can trade time, but take those dollars I earn from trading time, put them in investments that will create income without me trading time. So I take my active income and I want to turn it into passive income. But the only way I can do that, in my opinion, is through building assets. One of the ways to build assets is by investing in an asset like paper assets in the stock market. And I've done that for 22 years, and it's really paid off nicely for me. Drop me some comments, man, down in the comment box, and let me know what you guys think about this debt ceiling thing. And do you believe on Tuesday, May 30, the market is going to bounce because of that good news. I got a funny feeling it will, but I want to know what you guys think. So drop them down in the comment box. If you want them 12 free stocks from Webull, guys, you got to click on that link down in the description box. Open up that new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, and smash that like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace.
Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.